Good morning students. Last class we completed fractions and addition of decimals and subtraction of decimals. Today we will go multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals in that same like as first of all in decimal part, first of all ignore the decimal part, doing normal multiplication. For example, we will take now 0.1 into 0.1. 0.1 into 0.1. In that, here 0 is the whole part, 1 is the decimal part, this is the decimal point. Already we know about that. Then we have to multiplication. This is the like decimals, these two are like decimals, but in multiplication process, no need to depend upon like decimals or unlike decimals. We have to multiply generally. First of all we have to use normal multiplication, then count the number of decimal parts. In two terms. First of all, this is we have two methods. I will explain two methods now. 0.1 into 0.1, just this is consider 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Just ignore decimal point. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then see here in first term how many number of decimal parts? In first term how many number of decimal parts is 1. In second part also is 1. Just count it. How many number of decimal parts? This is the decimal part. Means how many digits in decimal parts? Only one digit. Here also one digit. Means total 2 digits. Means we have to arrange two decimal parts. Means 0.0. This is the answer. See, now in decimal part we have 2 digits. This is the multiplication of decimals. First of all, just multiply the terms. Which terms we have to that two terms multiply. After count the decimal part. After how many digits is in decimal part, that decimal part, the number of decimal parts, means I have to arrange here from right to left. Don't be confused. From right to left. See here total 2 number of decimal parts is there. So that's way 1, 2 before point. Okay, this is point after 0 not valid, but here 1 is there, that's why this is valid. One more method, or see 0.1 into 0.1 we have to write. See, first of all convert into fraction. 0.1 convert into fraction. How to convert? See, how many number of decimal parts in first term, how many number of digits in decimal part? 1 digit. That's why we have to write 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. Like that. Again 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. Now according to multiplication of fractions rule, should multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 1 1s are how much? 1. 10 10s are 100. Means 1 by 100. See here 0.1 and 0.1 I am writing the decimal part into fraction part. Means in decimal part how many number of digits? 1 digit. That's why I am taking in denominator 1 0. Like that in second term also in decimal part we have 1 digit. That's why I am taking in denominator 1 0 only. Then 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Then 1 1s are 1, 10 10s are 100. Is 1 by 100. 1 by 100 how to write? According to decimal rules, means conversion fractions into decimals, we have to arrange 2 in denominator we have 2 zeros. That's why in numerator we will get 2 decimal parts. 2 in decimal part we will get 2 digits. In decimal part we will get 2 digits. This is the process. This is one more process. This is a simple method. This one also very easy. Just this is how to convert into fractions. Again should multiply. Again will convert into decimals. This is the general method. Should multiply normal multiplication, use normal multiplication and count the number of digits in decimal part. Then we have to arrange where is the decimal point. Okay. Next example. 0.23 into 0.7. 0.23 into 0.7. Okay, here 0.23 into 0.7, these two are unlike decimals. Then first of all we have to use general method. See, 23 into 7, consider 0.23 is 23 and 0.7 as a normal 7. Just we have to multiply 23 into 7. What is the value? 23 into 7, 7 3 are 21, 7 2 are 14 plus 2, 16, means 161. Okay, 161. What is the value? 161. Okay, now just count the digits in decimal part. Just how many digits in decimal part? Count it. Here in point after we have in first term 2 number of digits and second term we have 1 digit. Total 3 digits. In decimal part we have 3 digits. That's why count from right side to left side. 1 2 3. Here will come point. 1 2 3. Here will come point. This is the general method. Now we'll apply fraction method. 0.23 into 0.7 is equal to 0.23 means in decimal part we have 2 digits. In decimal part we have 2 digits. That's why 23 by 100. 23 by 100 into 7 by, what is the value? 7 by 100 or 10. Here in decimal part we have only 1 digit. That's why in denominator we will get only 10. We will get only 10. Okay. Here in first term we have 2 digits in decimal part. That's why in denominator we got 2 zeros. In second term we have 1 digit in decimal part. That's why in denominator we got 1 0. Then 23 7s are already we done 161. 23 7s are already we solve 161. 100 into 10 is nothing but 1000. 100 into 10 is nothing but 1000. Then 161 by 1000. This is the fraction. Now again have to convert into decimal. Again we have to convert into decimal. Then just count it. How many number of zeros is in denominator? How many number of zeros is in denominator? Then 161. We'll remove zeros. Then point. For 1 0, 1 point will change position from right side to left side. From 1 point, for 1 0 will be removed in denominator. Don't be confused. In 1 0 will remove in denominator. In numerator the point position will change from right side to left side 1 1 place. Okay. Actually numerator there is no point. But is there, where is that? 161 point. Why? Because we have to write 7, 7.0, 8, 8.0 like that. 161 we can write 161.0. When remove the zeros in denominator for 110, then 1 point portion will be changed from right side to left side. See, I am removing 1 0, 1 total 1 2 3 means from each zero point 1 2 3 means here will come, means 0.161. 0.161 is the answer. See here, in observe once again, in first term we have 2 digits in decimal part. In second term we have 1 digit in decimal part. That's why in answer, in final solution we got 3 digits in decimal part. This is the multiplication of decimals. Next, multiplication of decimals by multiplication of decimals by 10, by 10, 100 and 1000. By 10, 100 and 1000. See, now only we completed how to multiply the decimals. Now just for example, I am taking one digit in decimal part value 7.3 should multiply 10. 7.3 should multiply 10. See, 7 point should multiply 10 is equal to, what is the answer? What is the answer? For this also we have two methods. First, we'll finish general method and we'll go to conversion of fraction method. 7.3 means 73 into 10. 73 into 10 is nothing but 730. 73 10 jar. First of all, ignore point. 73 10 jar 730. See here, in first term we have only one digit in decimal part. In first term we have only one digit in decimal part. In second term there is no decimal. Part. Finally we have only one decimal part, means from right side to left side we have only one decimal point, means here will come. See, right side to left side means one number before is the decimal point, means 73.0 is nothing but 73. Why? Because point after 0 not valid. See, this 0 after in right side any number not there. Any number, that's why 73.0 is nothing but 73. Well, for this same problem we have to apply fraction method. Then first of all I will remove decimal part, means 7.3, 73 will means 10 will come. Why here we got 10 means, see, 7.3 in decimal part we have one digit, that's when denominator will get 10. Now 10 cancel, finally 73 will get. Both are very simple, which is very easy for you. We can follow that method, means in general method also and this one also. One more example to explain now. See, observe 1.78 into 10, 1.78 into 100, like that 1.78 into 1000. I am taking here three cases. In first case I am taking 1.78 into 10, second case I am taking 1.78 into 100, 1.78 into 1000. Okay, see, number is same but multiplying with the value means 10, 100, 1000. Then we, what will be happen, we'll just observe. Then where is the decimal part we'll get? First, see, 1.78 into 10. First of all, 178 into 10, 1780. Like that 170, okay, 178 into 10, 1780. Then how many number before decimal point? Otherwise in decimal part how many digits? Means from right side to count it, 1 and 2, means here will come 17.80 is nothing but 17.8. This is the first answer. In question, where is the decimal point? See, one number after, otherwise two numbers before is there, but in answer two numbers after or one number before. Okay, in decimal part here we have two digits, in decimal part here we have only one digit. Why? Because we are multiplying with 10, means with 10. In 10 we have 10, no? That's why the decimal point is changing from, in multiplication the decimal point is changing from left side to right side. In multiplication the decimal point is changing from left side to right side. Like that next one, 17800. Why? Because 00, see here 100, that's why 00. In two decimal point, means two digits in decimal point, that's why here will come. Means what is the answer? 178. 178. Next third one, same, 178 000. 178,000. Then where is the decimal point? See, in decimal point we have two digits. That's why from right side to left side take two decimal point. Two zeros will remove. Point after zeros not valid. That's why finally we get 1780. Now observe three cases. In first one 17.8. In second one 178. Third one 1780. 1780. Depend upon the in decimal, the multiplication of decimal, we have to multiply number of zeros. Means number of zeros means 10, 100, thousands. The number of zeros will be increased, then point position also will change from left side to right side, left side to right side. Okay, this is the multiplication of decimals. Next class we'll continue division of decimals. Thank you, students.